How to operate the ZKL 3000RC manually. The ZKL 3000RC can be operated in two ways, either manually or remotely. In this video, we'll focus on manually operating the device. To operate the ZKL 3000RC manually, you must have physical access to the device, allowing you to operate the key switch. To activate the device manually, remove the key cap and insert the key. Turn the key switch clockwise to the on overruled position. This will create a short circuit and the track circuit will show occupied. When the device is activated, liaise with the signaller. Check the green LED is flashing twice per second. This indicates you have a good detection quality and that the device is functioning correctly. To deactivate the device manually, turn the key switch anti-clockwise to the off overruled position. Check that the green LED has stopped flashing. This will stop the ZKL 3000RC from creating a short circuit, and the track circuit will show clear. If you need further guidance or instruction on how to use the device, Dual Inventive offers support on site, over the phone or online. Call us on 03300 169 033 or email support@dualinventive.co.uk.